So you like chicken but you don't like dry, flavorless chicken? Here's the perfect recipe for you. This is a healthy take on Tuscan chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. Let's get to it. Make sure to watch the end of this video for the nutrition facts. Starting out, you're going to take some chicken tenders and put them in a pan that's heated to medium-high heat. Put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil on. Cook these for about 7 minutes on one side and about 4 minutes on the other side. Don't move them around so they develop a golden crust. Make sure it gets to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Smash that like button if you love chicken. Take the chicken out of the pan and save room for the sauce. You're going to want to put in another tablespoon or 2 of your olive oil. And then put in 4 tablespoons of onion. About 2 tablespoons minced garlic. Add about 1/2 cup to 1 cup of spinach. If you don't like spinach as much, feel free to add less. After the spinach, add in about 60 to 90 grams of sun-dried tomatoes. Now these tomatoes come in oil, so if you want to save on more calories, you can just pick out the tomatoes with a fork or strain out the oil. Add in about 1 to 2 cups of milk, 2 to 4 ounces of cream cheese. Bring the sauce to a boil and reduce until it's nice and thick. I did make this recipe a little bit healthier by putting in Greek yogurt in place of the cream cheese, as it will have less fat and more protein. Although, if you are going to do that, add in the Greek yogurt at the very end of making the sauce. Otherwise, the Greek yogurt will curdle and produce small lumps. Once the sauce is thick, go ahead and place your chicken back in. Here's the nutrition breakdown for this dish. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy eating recipes. And there you have it, a healthier Tuscan chicken recipe.